morning students. We are going to discuss one question which is related with the chapter Nature and Purpose of Business. That is the first chapter of your business studies, and here we are going to discuss one question which is related with the business risk. No doubt, when we are doing business, we are doing it for earning money, but earning money, earning profit is not an easy task. Lot of risk is there which is associated with it. In our previous video only we have discussed about the risk factor. In case of profession, in case of employment, the risk is comparatively low if you compare it with the business. Now we are going to discuss this risk in a little bit detail. Let us first read out the question, first understand the question, and then we will continue with it. Okay? Now see here, the question is, a business is started and run to earn profit. Obviously the motive is to earn profit. That is the main target, main objective behind starting any business. Now what they are saying, but there is a possibility that the business may not earn profit at all and incur loss. Obviously there is a possibility. You can't say the things are certain. Whatever we decided, the same thing will happen. It is not sure now. We may earn profit, we may face loss also. Anything can happen. Now, excuse me, mention the element which is associated with this phenomena and explain 4 factors which are responsible for this. So this question actually totally talking about business risk. What here, when we are talking about business risk, first of all we have to understand one thing, that business risk, what is it? Obviously uncertainty of profit. We may face loss also when we are conducting business. This is business risk. But when we are discussing the type of businesses, 2 major types of business risk are there. One is speculative risk and another one is pure risk. Yes. Let us first see the pure risk. Pure risk is a type of risk where either there will be loss or no loss. Okay, loss or no loss. For example, if I say if earthquake occurs, either there will be destruction or no destruction. If the earthquake intensity is very light, no destruction will be there. If it will be very high, huge destruction is possible. Excuse me. So here, when we are talking about pure risk, either there will be huge risk, or you can say no risk, but there is no chance of earning profit. This is what we call a pure risk. Next, I have told one risk name, that is speculative risk. First type of risk, pure risk. Pure risk, and second one is speculative. Okay. Now, when you are talking about pure risk and speculative risk, already I told about pure risk where either there will be loss or no loss. But in case of the speculative risk, the thing is that either we can earn profit or we can face loss also. So think about this kind of risk which may give us profit. There is a chance. Yes, such type of risk is also present in business, that is termed as speculative risk. If I give you one example, for example, you have just kept the stock of gold with you and suddenly the price of the gold has increased. What will happen? Due to increase in the price in the market, the stock which you have purchased at particular price, that will be increased, and later on when you sell in the market, ultimately you will earn a huge profit. That is a possibility here. So such type of risk will be termed as speculative risk. The government can change certain policies. Suddenly suppose the government has reduced the taxes. Earlier I was paying suppose 20% tax, now I have to pay 5% tax. So that much tax has been saved. So as a result, my profit will increase. So the speculative risk also exists in the business where we can earn profit or we can face loss also. Okay. So this is one thing. Now, right now we have discussed about types of risk. But in the question they have said, explain 4 factors, that means factors, or you can say causes of risk. There are basically 4 major factors, 4 major causes behind the business risk. Okay, let me discuss one by one. First one is natural cause. Yes. As you can understand from the name only that this type of risk is created because of by the nature, like earthquake, drought, famine, anything can be occur on which we are having little or you can say no control almost. We can't do anything. We have to face that only. So such type of risk, if a business is facing, those type of risk is considered as the natural risk. Those risks which is created by the nature. Okay. So this is one type of risk. Now let's come to the another type of risk. This risk is known as human risk. Yes, natural risk, human risk is also there. Now, this one we can control. How this type of risk occur? Now listen, suppose you have appointed a person who works in your company and he is a fraud one, he has cheated you and he has just do some wrong calculation with the money and he has taken out the money from your company, he has stole the money from your company. Or the workers can strike, they can give a huge list in front of you and they demand a lot, and when you are not ready to satisfy their demand, they can go on strike out, lockout can be created. So those type of risks which are created because of the human beings, those type of risks are known as human risk. One is natural risk which is created by the nature, human risk which is created by the human beings only. Now the third type of risk is economic risk. Now when we are talking about economic risk, this type of risk is faced because of various other situations which is really affect our profitability. For example, if the taste of the customer get changed, they will buy something else. Earlier, suppose they were liking a particular type of food. Later on, the food preference has been changed. This may happen. Government policies can get changed. So, certain things which will directly affect our profitability, that we will consider in the economic risk. If I tell you some more examples here, suppose when you go to your customers and you want to collect the dues, and that time they will say, okay, I don't have the money and I will not be able to pay you. So that time that is your bad debt. That is again it is considered in economic risk. So many things can be come here which will directly affect our profitability. Few examples I have given you. And last but not the least, other risk actually. When we are talking about this other risk, this will consider all those type of risks which are not kept in these three headings. For example, a particular machine in your factory is there. Suppose boiler is there and it burst out a particular day. What happened? Obviously, you will face a lot of loss that time. So, bursting of boiler, we can't keep it any of these risks. So, that type of risk we are considering in other risks. So, basically, these are the four categories: natural risk created by the nature, human risk we are facing because of the human beings, economic risk somehow which is directly affecting our profitability, and other risk which we are not keeping in any of these headings, that we are keeping in the other risk. Okay, so here these are the types of risk we have discussed, and there is the question risk, different types of risk, causes of risk, everything is discussed in this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.